Volkswagen has recently announced a notable decision in their lineup strategy, revealing that they will not be introducing a replacement for the T-Roc Cabriolet when they launch the updated version of the SUV next year. Despite the T-Roc Cabriolet being Europe's second best-selling convertible in the previous year, the German automotive giant has chosen to discontinue production of this popular soft-top crossover in 2025. What adds to the impact of this decision is that the loss of the T-Roc Cabriolet essentially leaves Volkswagen without a soft-top model across its entire range. The T-Roc, in its current iteration, was initially launched in 2017, and the soft-top version was introduced in 2020. Last year, it secured its position as the third best-selling motor in Europe, with an impressive 191,015 units registered, as per Dataforce figures. Specifically focusing on the T-Roc Cabriolet, it managed to sell 11,693 units, solidifying its status as Europe's second best-selling convertible, just behind BMW's Mini convertible. Looking ahead, the current T-Roc is expected to be replaced in 2025 by a new model that will utilize Volkswagen's MBQ Evo platform. This upcoming model is significant not only because it marks the next phase for the T-Roc, but also because it will be the final combustion engine variant produced by Volkswagen. This transition to a new platform aligns with Volkswagen's broader strategy to adapt to changing market demands and embrace newer technologies. The news of discontinuing the T-Roc Cabriolet has elicited emotional responses from fans of the model. On social media platforms, enthusiasts expressed their disappointment, with comments like, "This breaks my heart," and sentiments about the loss of convertibles in Europe. Despite this emotional response, Volkswagen clarified in a statement to Sun Motors that the current version of the T-Roc Cabrio will continue to be offered in parallel with the new T-Roc model beyond 2025. This development within Volkswagen's lineup strategy coincides with other significant updates in the automotive industry, such as Tesla revealing their new-look Model 3 set to launch in the UK soon. Additionally, an abandoned Aston Martin hatchback, deemed the world's rarest city car, has been discovered by a main road, drawing attention even to the potential value of its number plate. These events collectively contribute to the dynamic landscape of the automotive world. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next one.